So for the sake of practice today, because there's no wind, I'm gonna motor sail, and I'm gonna just practice tacking using the winches. I am very uncomfortable using the winches. Well, I guess you gotta start by knowing how to wind your lines.
Sailing is not easy. It's a mixture of relaxation and constant monitoring. And if this video is hard to watch, it's because it is. I have no idea what I'm doing, and I'm struggling through the learning process of getting it right and learning how to build good habits.
Quick question, are these little guards causing me trouble? Because I feel like they are. I feel like I'm not able to release the line properly. Totally get the concept. It's a lot different. It's a lot more uncomfortable. It's a lot more mechanical. I can understand how you have more line control for sure. There's just not lines flying everywhere. It's really not windy enough for me to get a clear understanding of what the jib sheet's going to be doing, you know, at 5, 6, 7 knots of wind. You know, this 2 or 3 is just barely pulling it across the bow. So I understand. So we're gonna keep practicing a couple more times today for sure, and yeah, just try and become a better sailor for sure. That went a little bit smoother. It's gonna be practice. It's what I got myself into, practice.